Let's be real, you're tired. Tired of working 9 hours a day just to check your bank account and see nothing changed. Meanwhile, people online are saying they made $300 in a day with AI. Sounds fake, right? Here's the truth. Most of it is fake, but some of it isn't. And today, I'll show you exactly how people are actually making money online from home, using simple AI tools you already have access to. You don't need to be a tech genius or have 1 million followers. All you need is curiosity, consistency, and a few tools that do the heavy lifting. Because AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing excuses. Before we dive in, no, this isn't get rich overnight. AI won't print money for you. But what it can do is remove the hard part that stops most people. The writing, the designing, the editing, the overthinking. It turns, I don't know where to start, into, I just started. All right, let's break down 3 real ways you can make money from home starting this week. You can now create faceless videos that rack up thousands of views using AI. Here's the formula. Use ChatGPT to write a 30-second viral script, plug it into 11 Labs or play.ht for a natural voiceover. Then edit it with CapCut or VO using stock clips from Pexels or Pixabay. Add trending background music, upload to YouTube Shorts or TikTok, and watch your content start to gain traction. Once you get views, you can monetize through affiliate links, sponsorships, or ad revenue. Simple idea. AI does the work. You focus on consistency. Second, the AI digital hustle. You've seen those $10 Notion templates, ebooks, and planners on Etsy. They sell thousands every month. You can create them using ChatGPT to write the content and Canva to design them beautifully. Use Leonardo AI or Midjourney to generate eye-catching visuals. Then sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own mini-site. You create it once, and it keeps selling while you sleep. That's real passive income, powered by AI. Third, the AI Freelance Accelerator. Freelancers who use AI are outpacing those who don't, fast. If you can write, design, or even just communicate well, AI tools can multiply your value. Need blog content? ChatGPT. Need social media posts? Claude. Need video scripts or thumbnails? Gemini plus Canva. Offer those as services on Upwork or Fiverr. You'll be delivering faster and better than 90% of your competition, because you're not doing it alone anymore. Let's pause for a second. You don't need to do all 3, just pick one. Test it, learn from it. Every person who's now making real money online started exactly where you are. One tab open, half skeptical, half hopeful. The difference? They didn't wait until they felt ready. They started messy and got better along the way. So here's your challenge. Spend 48 hours testing one of these methods. Make one video, create one product, offer one service. You'll learn more in those 2 days than weeks of scrolling AI side hustle videos. And if you want the exact tools and prompts I use myself, check the link in the description. Because the future isn't coming, it's already here. And the smartest move you can make is to start before everyone else realizes it. If you're serious about building income from home with AI, hit subscribe, drop A in the comments, and I'll show you how to turn these small wins into real financial freedom. Because this isn't a dream anymore, it's just the new way to work. You don't need fancy equipment or big capital to start, just the courage to try and the tools that are already within your reach. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to help you grow, to make your ideas real, and to give you back control of your time. If this video helped you see what's possible, give it a like, share it with someone who needs a push, and subscribe for more AI-powered insights. Thanks for watching, and thank you for being part of this journey.